when we launched the product, it was a very, very clean, a simple pitch to the customer. It's very easy to understand. If I can request the presenter to move to the next slide, and I'll probably tell you how it works. So there are these three options, plain and simple. There is one option which gives you a guaranteed income. There is one option which gives you a long-term income, and there is one option which gives you a lifelong income. Easy to understand. Guaranteed income, you pay certain amount of premium, we'll pay you certain amount of income. You pay so for this particular example, if you're paying for 12 years, you wait for 1 year, and after that we'll pay you income for 12 years. So simple illustrations. You pay for 10 years, wait for 1 year, you'll get income for the next 10 years, right? So that's a simple conversation to have. That's about it. That's the only thing that we needed to tell to a customer. You pay for certain years, you wait for a year, and then you'll get income for the next certain years. In the long-term income option, we had a similar simple pitch, right? You pay for certain years and you get income for 20 years or 25 years or 30 years, depending on the PPT options that we have under the product. And there is a lifelong income option also available. This is specifically for a certain set of customers at a higher age points, where they can come and pay the premiums and get income for the rest of their life, right? So simple targeted pitches for different type of segments. In the examples that we are showing here today, and if you were to focus on the guaranteed income section option, the current payouts range from 1.79 to 1.97 of the annualized premium, right? So all you need to do is go to your customer, tell him that if he's willing to pay you 1 lakh rupees, you will give him 1.97 lakh rupees as an annual income for the PPT that is chosen. So he's in this particular example, if he's choosing to pay for 12 years, he has to wait for 1 year, and for the next 12 years, he will get 1.97x. That's the pitch for the guaranteed income option. In the long-term income, he pays for 10 years, he waits for a year, and then gets a guaranteed income for 25 years with the return of premium. So imagine imagine investing into a product, paying all the premiums, getting an income, and then getting all your premiums back at maturity. So it's almost like a free insurance cover, right? You're saying that you put your money, stay invested, we'll give you an income percentage again for the duration of 25 years as per this particular option. And at the end of it all, we'll also refund back the entire premiums that you paid to us. Again, in the lifelong income option, if you look, there is a particular set of customers that can come in on this option, so they can pay for 5 years or 10 years and then get a lifetime guaranteed income. In case of death anywhere in between, the income continues for the nominee. So that's the USP of the plan. So you can leave back a steady stream of income for your nominee even in your absence. There are not too many plans in the market who give this kind of feature. There are some similar competitive products available from the competitors, where the payment stops on the death. But this is the USP of this plan. The payment continues as long as we've guaranteed. So if we say that at a 50-year-old customer, if you're saying that we'll pay it in 99, that's 49 years. So we'll continue to pay that income as for the next 49 years, irrespective of the fact whether the customer is alive or not, right? So pretty simple. Again, coming back to the story that we had. So we've kept it very simple. If you look at the long-term income option, in this particular example, he's paying 1 lakh rupees, he's getting 88,000 for the next 25 years. He's also getting all his premium back, which is about 32 lakh rupees. In the lifelong income option, he chooses to pay 1 lakh rupees, gets 84,000 for the till age 99. That's about, and plus the return of premium, as we said. So that's about 42 lakh rupees. So that's a good customer story, a very simple, easy to understand story. On the next slide, if you were to look at the IRRs that we've put up, fairly competitive across the broad range of the product offerings that we have, be it guaranteed income, lifelong income, or the long-term income option across various premium bands. Also, if you look at somewhere something like a 2 lakh rupees customer band, and if he's were to look at a long-term income, this is typically at a 5.61 IRR. So that's a very, very competitive IRR today that we're offering. Even in long-term income at a 10, 11 kind of a PPT structure, we're offering 5.66% IRR. Obviously, the IRRs go up further if you are able to bring in more premium. It also gives that benefit back to the customer in terms of the IRR. But even at the lower points or the lower premium entry points, we are still fairly competitive. 4.96 at a 12 pay, almost at 5% IRR for a 12 pay kind of a scenario. It's extremely competitive today, especially in these scenarios when the yields are falling and we expect other people also to cut down the rates. And overall market not performing too well, right? So that's a very brief in terms of why we wanted to do the product, what is the basic USP of the product. It still continues to sell really well for us. It's among the top selling products in our portfolio today. The IRRs, yeah, the due to the falling interest rates and due to the other scenarios, there has been a slight drop in the IRR, but the story still remains the same, right? It's a very simple to market, easy to understand story to the customer. There are USPs on the product, like I mentioned. The income continues as long as we promise, so it doesn't stop in case of a death. And fairly simple, easy to market, and a very good branding that we're carrying today.